How to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Click on this profile icon given at the bottom right corner. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now go ahead and click on the option of following. So this is your following list. Now how to unfollow people who don't follow you back. For that, head towards any of the user and head towards the following list of that user. Then you will see the search box over there. Type in your username. If you cannot find a username in your following list, you can unfollow that person. You will get this option of follow again. Well, this way you can easily unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. At the moment, this is the only way to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.